Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase watermarks in photos. First, carefully assess the watermark's position and dimensions. Next, select a photo editing software that offers advanced removal features. Always begin by creating a duplicate of your original image layer. This ensures your initial photo remains untouched, allowing for safe experimentation and easy reversions if necessary. For quick and effective removal, use tools like content-aware fill. Start by making a precise selection around the watermark using a lasso or marquee tool. Then, activate the content-aware fill function, which intelligently replaces the selected area with surrounding pixels. This often yields excellent results in just a few seconds, but always zoom in to check for any minor imperfections. When automated tools aren't enough, manual techniques are key. The clone stamp tool allows you to copy pixels from one area to another, perfect for intricate details. The healing brush blends textures and tones, making small blemishes disappear. Remember to perform these edits on a separate, empty layer to maintain flexibility and avoid permanently altering your original image data. After removing the watermark, take a moment to meticulously inspect your image. Look for any subtle inconsistencies or areas that need further blending. Make minor adjustments to the overall color balance and contrast to ensure the edited area integrates naturally. Finally, save your polished photo in a high-resolution format, such as JPEG or PNG, preserving its quality for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.